Hoy! Hoy! Sandali, sandali! Ano yung nabalitaan ko? Nagkabalikan na kayo. Ala, uy, nasayang. Pinag-usapan natin for several hours. Nag-abot tayo ng alas 2 ba yun ng madaling araw. Buti na lang naghaplas ako ng lana, hindi nahati aking katawan. Bakit? I know we don't have the right to dictate your decisions, especially when it comes to your relationship because we're just your friends. But sana gi-factor in mo rin ang effort namin to understand you during that time, di ba? Di ba, umiyak ka, nag-scream ka, nag-run ka, everything. You became a mad person. And you said that hindi mo nabalikan, tas here comes, nagbalik ka. Di ba, nag-aral pa tayo, nagawa pa tayo ng thematic analysis, tapos papunta pa rin sa wala, nagawa pa tayo ng cohort, you alone versus you plus your young person, and then walang magandang outcomes. Tapos we randomly even ask people for the situations that they seem sa'yo, tapos they would say na, never come back. Tapos yun nga, it points out to, wala significant difference for you to going back, so better be alone. Tapos bakit?